Hi children. So today we are going to draw one more animal. So what is that animal? So let's start. First draw an inverted U shape like this. Okay? After drawing like that, from this end draw line towards outside, and from this end also like this. Little curve outside. Got it? Then exactly in the center draw a triangular shape. Okay? See, like this, then like this, and we drew a triangular shape in the middle. From here, try to connect this end, and from this side, this end. Done? Then from here you will start drawing like this, and from this side also 1 2 3 like this. Okay, understood till here? Then the next is draw 1 2 circles, and then down you have to just make a U curve. Here 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, then we will draw 2 eyes. Children, can you guess this? Maybe not now. After we do some more part of this, you will be able to guess it. Like this, 2 circles. After that, and then it will have patches like this. See, maybe now you can guess it. But this is cute. Usually it won't be this cute. We are drawing the cute version. See here, then from here like this, and then legs became too lengthy. I guess we'll make it little short. Straight, so like this. Then here also we are going to draw legs. The 2 lines, and then tail like this. Rub the extra lines like this, and it will have patches like this. Just here and there you can draw. So what is it, children? A cute tiger. Usually tiger won't be cute, right? But our tiger is very cute. On the tail also, just draw like this. Now, where does the tiger live usually? Yes, it lives in a jungle. So, what are we going to do here? We'll draw a line here, and around above this line we are going to draw trees. See, you can draw so many trees because as this is a jungle, or where you can see, you can even see in zoo, right? Even in zoo, if you go, it will have so many trees, right? In zoo. So just we are drawing trees like this, as if it is in a jungle. Now we are going to take dark green color, and here first we'll give outline and we'll fill it completely with dark green, because jungle will be there, right? So much of grass kind of a thing, or if it is in a zoo also, you can see mud and grass, right? So we are doing it like grass. We are doing dark green here. Just draw here outline and fill it with dark green color. You can use crayons if you have crayons. I am using color pencils. You can use whatever you want. After this, which color will be lion, children? It will be combination of orange and ochre, right? So we will start doing orange, first we'll do orange. On that we are going to do little bit of ochre, because it won't be completely orange also. But if you want, you can do only ochre or only orange also. See, light orange shade I am doing. And on that, yellow ochre I am doing. See, that is also light shade of ochre. See, so the whole body we are going to do it like this. First we will do it light shade of orange, here, even the tail. But children, make sure your color will not go out of the drawing. Very important, children. See, and then I am taking ochre and light shade of ochre. I am doing it all over the body, legs, and for the tail also. If you want, what you can do is same orange color also you can make it dark. That also you can do it. See, for ears I am doing little dark color. And do first I did orange on top one layer, then the second one I am doing it ochre, like this. Then I am taking light blue color to do the sky. So the sky we are doing it light blue color. Children, carefully you have to slowly do it around the drawing, this blue color. If you want, you can do some dark blue color also, but I think this will look good. If you see, I am doing a single direction, children. From top till bottom, I am using single direction, right? So even you have to do it in single direction. It's very, very important, children. If you do it in single direction only, it will look neat. Now what we'll do is, we'll give with the black color pencil the outline, and even this we are going to fill it. See, after doing this black color marks, it will look like tiger, cute tiger. So children, everywhere you have to give outline for all these patches, and then you have to fill it with black color inside. See? You can do this marks with even brown color. See? Then we will do the tail also. Just I'm giving outline, children. And then there's marks, on black marks we are going to do it. See? Then now we are left with the trees. We are going to finish the trees also. We are doing trees. Give outline and fill it with brown color. We'll do first all the trees trunk. Completely with brown color. Done. Then the trees we will give outline. I'm using light green, children, because dark green we used it for grass down, right? So I thought we'll do it light green, and you can just color it. So like this. So we will give outline. So I'm just coloring the trees with light green color. Now what do you have to do, children? Yes, we have to give outline. Now for all the trees, we are going to give outline. If you have sketch pen, you can even use sketch pen. See, like this. And then what you have to do is, this nose part is there, right? That we can do little pink shade. Even the mouth part, see? Cute tiger is ready. She'll do it. And children, if borders also, if you want to design, you can design it. Bye.